Put clutter in its place with these shoe organizing ideas that kick chaos to the curb. It's all about maximizing the storage space in your closet, mudroom, and entryway with clever cubbies, bins, and shelves. Here's smart shoe organizer ideas that will double your storage space. 1. Repurposed bar cart. Wheeled storage like this tiered bar cart easily glides out of the way when you want to access the rest of your closet. 2. DIY ladder organizer. Fashion your own clothing rack out of 2 ladders, a pair of planks, and a dowel. Shoes fit tidily at the bottom, while a rack up top can hold an overflow of shirts and jackets. 3. Statement shoe rack. The genius of this bamboo shelf is that it has spots for both flat and tall shoes, so you can fit as many pairs as possible, with room left over for a cute houseplant. 4. Woven basket shoe holders. Even kids can get on board with this easy organizing system. Designate a cute basket to each family member to corral entryway clutter. 5. Under the bed shoe organizers. These under bed bins come with adjustable dividers, so you can corral up to 24 pairs in a perfect array. Just slide them under, to keep out of season footwear from cluttering up your hall closet. 6. Over-the-door hanging shoe organizer. It's hard to beat the price and storage capacity of an over-the-door shoe organizer. 24 pockets create instant space where there was none, and they easily hold toys, accessories, or other items if you end up streamlining your collection. 7. Stacked entryway crates. Customize a storage system to your mudroom by attaching wooden crates with binder clips. Stash heavier objects on the bottom to stabilize the shelves. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.